It's the Raw Traveler here again. This video is about a company called Pointe Global. What you're seeing now is the office in Santa Monica, California for Pointe Global. It's a company that does surveys and focus groups. And what's really neat about it is that if you join, they will send you emails which will qualify you for surveys. If you get qualified, the surveys pay a certain amount of money, small amount of money, sometimes not so small. And they also do clinical studies and they do focus groups. So if you're a member of the Focus Point Global, there's a website called focusgroup.com where you can join, which you see in the video. I'm going to also put a link to that website in the description. So if you are a US person, in other words, you either live in the US or you have a US address, or even if you know someone who has a US address, then they would be eligible to participate in these surveys and focus groups. It's really cool program. You just have to sign up and it's all free, and you will answer some surveys. If you qualify for the surveys, you will get some bonus money, and I believe once you have $20 of their bonus money, they will send you, I believe it either will be a check or a gift card. I'm not sure if it's sent electronically now or not. It's been quite a while since I got one, but for sure you would be able to get one or the other. And here you can see what the About menu has on it. Then how it works. So there's the FAQs, and let's take a look at the FAQs. So here are the frequently asked questions. You can look over these if you go to the site and figure out if this is something that you want to do. If you do have a little extra time, it's a neat way to get some extra money. I recently went to the Santa Monica location, which is in Los Angeles, and I was invited to become part of a focus group on traveling, and I ended up getting a $175 Visa gift card for just spending about 10 minutes there because they had overbooked. They actually had me as a extra, so in case one of the other people didn't show up or they didn't work out as a focus group for that particular focus group, they were going to use me as an extra. So it turned out that they had enough people in the focus group, so they just gave me the $175 gift card. I sat there for about 10 minutes. I walked away with $175 in my pocket for 10 minutes of my time, and I'm still eligible to do this again because I actually didn't participate in the focus group. So that was pretty neat. And I don't expect to have this happen all the time. Don't expect to get that kind of situation. But it's nice to get a little bit extra money once in a while from them. Mostly, I got money from them for doing the surveys online. Again, I don't remember if they sent it by gift card, if they sent it by check, or they just sent it by PayPal or something. But they do offer you some money for doing their surveys. Here are the places that they have their actual focus group offices. If you live close to one of those, that would really be convenient for you if you get selected for a focus group. Then they also do clinical studies. If you have some kind of a disease, I've been invited to qualify for studies for things related to obesity, diabetes, some kinds of foot ulcers has been one, and a multitude of other things. They've invited me to come in for depression, I believe, all kinds of studies. If you have some problem, some medical problem, some illness, and it fits with their requirements, then and you're interested in doing the study, they do pay quite a bit of money. Some of them range from 500 to over $1,000 for the survey or for the clinical trial. They provide all the medical help and all included, as well as the medicine. If that's your thing and you want to try that, that's great. I haven't actually done any clinical trials for them or for anybody else. It's just I'm not interested in doing that. But uh, you can still do the surveys. You can definitely do the focus groups. So they'll send you, they'll contact you by email, and you'll do a survey. And at the end of the survey, if they thought that you might qualify for a focus group, they ask you to give your telephone number or some other way of contacting you, and then they will contact you if you are still qualified to do the focus group. Then they'll invite you in to do a focus group in person, and there's usually a reasonable amount of compensation. It's usually a gift card. It could be in the range of $50 to $100 or maybe even more. In my case, it was a $175 gift card. It was given to me in a Visa gift card, and it was a gift card that had the ability to put a pin on it, which means you can use it to it could be unloaded. The value of it could be unloaded in certain locations, like you can see in some of my other videos. And I was successful in actually unloading the value of that gift card. So here you go. If you're interested in joining, you just fill in the information on this site and click register to join. You will probably get several surveys after that. They continue to send me surveys regularly. A lot of them are related to clinical studies, I have to say, but not all of them. And after a while, I think once you have at least $20 in your account, or you've been a member for 6 months or longer, you can withdraw the money. And I'm not sure, like I said, if the money is going to come by check or it's going to come by gift card. I think right now everything that I get from them is a gift card. But that's the way the program works. It's a really neat program, totally free to you, and it could earn you a few dollars a year. It's could help you out in your travels. I've actually been able to stay at some nicer hotels because of that little extra money. And well, hopefully we'll see you soon. Take care.